Genesis begins where the seed ends. A legacy of form starts in the silent earth.
A partnership of blood and soil. The architect guides the life.
Strength is inherent. The upward drive toward the light is programmed. The first leaves emerge, thick and serrated, smelling faintly of citrus even in youth. Time-lapse of the tree trunk thickening, the bark developing a rugged, protective texture.
The canopy spreads, branches drooping gracefully under the weight of future wonders.
Respect for the ground. A clean foundation for a sacred tower.
The sacred bloom. A floral invitation to the architects of the air.
The blossoms open, revealing golden stamens that glow in the morning light.
Nature's couriers, carrying the blueprints of life, from flower to flower.
This is bored. The petals fall away, leaving behind a strange, multi-lobed green ovary. Fist is closed. The fracture begins. One becomes many. Symmetry yields to fractal beauty. Feeding the form. Liquid minerals transforming into golden geometry. 20 pillars of scent. A labyrinth designed without a center. The fruit grows to the size of a human hand, its presence commanding and strange. The Buddha's hand. Alchemy in the orchard. Chlorophyll retreats as gold takes the throne. Solid ivory. No seeds, no juice, just the pure white skeleton of scent. The fruit reaches peak maturity, its color becoming a brilliant, polished citron gold. Peak harvested with reverence. The masterpiece is removed from the canvas. Architecture without void. Every millimeter is packed with aromatic oil, releasing the essence. A concentrated burst of botanical energy.
The scent ribbons expand, filling the entire screen with golden light.
A labyrinth of light and shadow. Nature's most complex exterior. The anchor. designed to hold the weight of the divine hand. Fibonacci in flight. Every curve follows the laws of the universe. The shadow of the sacred. Form that transcends its own matter. Architectural vaults designed by rain and sun.
Extreme macro of the zest's texture, appearing like a golden mountain range.
The architect's rest. Contentment in the completion of form. Diversity in symmetry. No two hands are ever the same. Limonene, citral, and geraniol, the chemical notes of the labyrinth.
From the dark silt to the golden light, the journey of form.
The camera focuses on the palm of the fruit, the central solid mass.
Gratitude to the source. The earth gives, the hand receives.
One, 10, 20. The architecture of the complete. The genesis of form. The Buddha's hand. Perfect architecture.
Genesis Motion. Honoring the architecture of life.